Eddy Sensor Adjustment Guide for X2D. You need to have H1.5 screwdriver and an A4 paper strip that is about 7 mm by 70 mm. Left Eddy sensor adjustment. Begin by removing the toolhead front cover and place it above the toolhead. Now, take the A4 paper strip, fold it once, and insert it between the nozzle and the Eddy sensor. Then, gently slide it back and forth to test it. To start adjusting, remove the silicone sock, unlock the locking tabs, and remove the hot end. Use H1.5 screwdriver to loosen the two screws shown. Do not remove them. Next, use tweezers to gently move the Eddy sensor, adjusting its distance from the nozzle. Then, retighten the screws. Reinstall the hot end. Ensure the locking tabs are fully secured in place, and reinsert the silicone sock. Use the paper strip to test the gap again. If you feel slight friction while the paper moves smoothly, the gap is properly adjusted. Right Eddy sensor adjustment. Insert the paper strip between the hot end and Eddy sensor and gently slide it back and forth to test it. If you don't feel a slight resistance as the paper moves, proceed to adjust it. Start by removing the silicone sock. Open the locking tabs and remove the hot end. Loosen the two screws securing the Eddy sensor in place. Do not remove them. Use tweezers to gently move the Eddy sensor. Then, retighten the screws using H1.5 hex screwdriver. Reinstall the hot end, secure the locking tabs, and reinsert the silicone sock. Use the paper strip again to test the gap between the nozzle and the Eddy sensor. If you feel slight friction while the paper moves smoothly, the gap is properly adjusted. Once both the left and right Eddy sensors are adjusted, place the toolhead front cover in position, and your printer will be ready for use.